Hey, Scott here. I just want to share a video with you to show you something I discovered today that I never even really thought of before, and it's not very common that I come across this, and maybe you would never come across this, but when working on this snowblower today, it would have been beneficial had I been able to get the snowblower chute out of the way to access the belt area. And all right, so today I'm working on this Yard Machines by MTD and snowblower, 5.5 horsepower Tecumseh engine, and just kind of giving it a tune-up. Had to fix some rusted springs, replace the auger belt. In fact, I wrote down right there what auger belt this one needs, so that in the future, if it ever happens again, we don't have to look too far for the information. But the point of this video is that it would have been nice to get this off of there to kind of help just keep it out of the way, make the job a little bit easier. But as you'll see, there's no bolts or anything holding that thing on. But let me show you what I discovered. So if you take a look at what we've got going on here, this is actually underneath one piece of plastic. And what we're going to do, spin this around a little bit, and we're going to just pry this out. There you go. And this whole thing swings out. And then from here, we could pivot it down. There you go. It's out. There are 3 of them on here. Let's go around the other side. There's one right there. Pivot it out. There we go. Now the third one we probably don't have to take out. It's located here and here, and you should be able to just kind of move this sideways. And there you go. That plastic collar. This is all plastic. There's no metal moving parts here. So, and of course, if you want to put it back, you just make sure that this part here gets put under the lip. It's right here. And then reverse the process of putting these back in. Pop them in place and then swing them in, and it locks. So this will ride under here like this. All right. Easy peasy. One step closer.